Hello guys, my name is Saida Hafsa and today I'm going to tell you how to code. First, we're going to code with Angry Bird in code.org. If you have not made an account in code.org and if you like this code.org, you're welcome to make an account. It's totally free. So let's get started. So this is this piece of blocks, and these blocks are for you to code, and what you have to do is you have to if you want to complete the level, you have to defeat the pig, and then you will go to the next level. So these move forward. This is the move forward block. If you move forward, this will happen. If you move forward, you're going to move forward one step. That equals one block. Let's try. And then you press step. So this will happen if you do it. And this one is for your directions. So you have turn left and turn right. So if you want to turn left, if I'm in this direction and I want to turn left, it would turn here. Okay? If I put left block, it would go over here. If I put a right block, it would go over here. And remember, whenever you put a right or left block, you must move forward as much time as you need to. So let's get started. First, you put a move forward block, and then you put another one, or maybe not. So if you want to first try, you would first try if it looks like we only have to put one block. So we reset and put one move forward, and then it will come over here. And then, do we do right or left? So then, whenever it's looking at the right direction at you, you have to do the opposite of the direction it's for you. For example, if it's the right over here, if this is your right, then it would be Angry Bird's left. If it's your left, then it will be Angry Bird's right. So then you have to predict it if it's facing you. If it's facing the opposite way, then it's going to be your direction, not the opposite direction if it's facing this way. Okay? You understand? Now let's move forward. Let's see. If it comes here and it's facing me, and on my side it's left, so it's gonna be right. And then remember to move forward. How many times do we move forward? 1, 2, 3. 3 times we move forward. And if it's wrong, we could just try again and check if this weird noise will pop up. Yes, so it's 3 times, and this is easy to be predicted because that's 1 block, that's 2 blocks, and that's 3 blocks. So that means 3 times he has to step forward. And now once he's here, he would be facing this way. So it's not facing you. So it means he has to turn left. So we simply say left, and when he's left, he's just like this, facing here. And he has to move forward 2 times. But would you like to test it? Okay, let's see if you're doing it correct or wrong. And then step We're doing it correct. So let's keep going. So as I told you, each block stands for one step, and one step stands for one move forward block. So let's see how many move forward blocks we have to do. 1 and 2, and then we're going to pass this level. So let's see. It's done. Move forward, move forward, move forward again. Turn left, move forward, move forward. Okay. So this is how we do this level 1 of Angry Bird.
One thing that
Angry Bird route. This Angry Bird task, and let's go to level 3 and let's see how this one goes. So it says try the repeat block to use fewer blocks when solving this puzzle. So now we have a new block and it says repeats. Okay, and we already know what move forward, turn left and turn right stands for. Do we? Yeah, we do. We learned that in the last puzzle when we were doing it. Now, the repeat stands for when you have to repeat it all over again. For example, so if it's keep on doing like this, move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, instead of using this again and again, you can just use the repeat block and then put turn right, move forward, and then the amount of times you have to repeat. This was just the example. And here you can just change the amount. Now let's see what we have to do. We just have to go straight, so that's easy. And we also know how to count how many move forward. So 1 block, this stands for 1 block 2. So that's 2 blocks, 3 blocks, 4 blocks, and 5 blocks. So we don't have to turn left or right in this one. So you could just go straight. And instead of using 5 times move forward, we would use the repeat block. And it only says 5 for us. And the move forward block. And run. Wow, we did it. Congratulations, we finished our 3rd puzzle. Now, would you guys want to move forward to our 4th puzzle? We don't have any new blocks in this one, but this one would be a little bit hard. So always try to first test it out if it's going, if you cannot predict. And we will test it out too. Let's get started. So how many move forward would we use? 1, 2, 3, and 4. So instead of putting 4 move forwards like this keep going on, we could have used the repeat block because we still have it. We add 4, and you put our move forward block and test it. Step, step, and step. They'll have this pop-up coming out. So we'll keep doing it.
Hey, Eddie Joker! Look at this!
So we've already put in our move forward block and we even tested out. So now what's our next step? Now when it's over there and it's not facing towards us or towards the backward of the screen, so it would be pretty easy to know what it is, but you just have to keep, for example, just keep it to us and just imagine you're in that direction, and then you could imagine if it's right or left. So I'm over here because I already used my block, but I already tested it out, so and I came up to be here. So, and I'm chasing like this right now that I know where it is. Now, we have to not, if you turn that, then we lose. And if we turn here, so exactly we have to come here. So you keep straight, keep going, and then you turn here, and you come here. And then that's it. But if it feels hard for you, if you do it for some more times, and then you'll know how to do it. Okay? So we're here, the Angry Bird's facing there, so it's going to turn, I think it's 10, yeah, it's 10 right, probably, yeah, it's 10 right. So then, when we turn right, if you think that it's gonna pop up over here, and keep going one step now, you have to always put a move forward after that, because it only changes a direction, it doesn't move forward any blocks. So once it's like this, how many blocks you have to move? 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4. So repeat block. There's 4. And move forward. Run. Now we have to choose if it's a right or a left. Now we know which one is. Now we have to figure out, and we already have known which one it is. So we have to turn. So we already know which one it is. But for prediction, I'll still help you. So I'm facing this way, and then I turn. Which one? What do we turn? Exactly. I think we turn left. Why do we think? We actually turn left, and then we move forward 3 blocks, because that's how we know 1, 2, 3. But did we guys forget something? The pig is over here, so we move forward 1 more block. 4. So I could use the repeat block again and do it 4. And don't forget to put your block there for the repeat area. So now we're back. Let's see. What came wrong here, guys? Yeah, it was not turn left, it was turn right. Now we'll go good. Ready to see? Now see the magic. So that's done for today. So hope you had fun, and this would be in my next video. You would be seeing this one that I'll be doing. So for now, bye.